Hello and welcome to our showcase of OtterTab. You don't need another tab, you need an OtterTab. Let me introduce you to the team. There's Ben Darnell, the design devil, Akshay Heda, the React wizard, and Daniel Guo, me, apparently the backend badass. So let me tell you a little bit about OtterTab. As college students in 2020, we face two challenges every day: fulfilling our seemingly endless responsibilities and taking care of our mental health. OtterTab was built to do both. OtterTab is a landing page for Chrome and Firefox. It provides quick and easy insight into your daily schedule as a notepad and as a calendar. It also supports a mood tracker, so you can record your mood every day. This is a proven positive psychology technique for improving your mental health.
All right, now let's look at a demo for our app. So this is our application in action. You can see without being signed in, we have just a clock, a calendar, and a search bar. I will sign in using Google OAuth. And we'll now have access to all of the features of our site. We can look at these calendar events. These are taken directly from my Google Calendar. These are all of the upcoming events for today. So I have quick access to them and I get reminders of what I have to do. I can also click on the event, which will take me directly to the event in my Google Calendar to get more info. I can also click on Zoom links in the description. One other feature is note-taking. I can look at notes that I've taken in the past and I can add new notes. Let me add a note to show you. If I add a note, it saves. This is all stored in a database. So it saves, it connects it with my account. We also have an emotion tracker. So I can look in the past and see what my mood was over the past couple of weeks and months. The color of the mood indicates whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. For today, I am feeling relatively happy. So I will click on the happy button. And as you can see now, for December 20th, it recorded my mood as positive. So we can also test out the search feature. This works like the normal search box. So what is the meaning of life? We'll perform a Google search for that query. And if I type in a URL, such as maybe xkcd.com, it will take me directly to the site. And once you're done, you can sign out and it brings you back to the main page. So we used a number of technologies in order to implement this. Most of the front end, it was all done with React. We used Firebase for the back end to store the notes and the moods. The site is hosted on GCP App Engine. We use the Google Calendar API in order to display the calendar events, and that uses Google OAuth 2 in order to sign and get access. All of the UI UX design was built on the Ant design framework. And we use domain.com for hosting DNS, and all of our code is on GitHub.
Some of the challenges we faced was the majority of our team hadn't used React before. We had 2 members who had barely touched JavaScript before this project. We're also not very good designers. We had to learn how to design a beautiful and functional UI so that our app actually looks nice. Another problem we faced is that Google OAuth does not have a library for React, so we had to hack it together by using JavaScript. We also struggled with synchronization and maintaining state across our app and making sure that you can log in from multiple places. Finally, we struggled with DNS and setting it up so that we have SSL certificates and can actually use Google OAuth on our website. So what's next? We want to add a ton more features to this. One of the key things we want to add is improving notes so that you can edit them easier and they have hierarchies and more functionality, such as possibly Markdown. We want to be able to create and edit Google Calendar events directly from the landing page. We want to add more moods to our mood tracker and add analysis of the moods, possibly using machine learning in the future. Thank you so much for watching our presentation. Hope you liked it.